Over chapter 9, we talked about intelligence and the different theories and what intelligence really means. I came to the conclusion that there is really no agreed definition or model of intelligence. By the Collins English Dictionary, intelligence is the ability to think, reason, and understand instead of doing things automatically or by instinct. It is the ability to understand and think about things and to gain and use knowledge. In many studies, intelligence has been defined as whatever intelligence test measure, which has tended to be school smarts. Charles Spearman believed that we have one general intelligence. I chose to talk about Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence. When I hear the word intelligence, I'm automatically thinking like IQ test or school smart or definitely like standardized test. But intelligence is often defined as our intellectual potential, something we are born with, something that can be measured, and a capacity that is difficult to change. In recent years, however, other views of intelligence have emerged. One such conception is the theory of multiple intelligence proposed by Harvard psychologist Howard Gardner. His 8 theories are visual, verbal, interpersonal, intrapersonal, logical, musical, bodily, and naturalistic, and we are going to talk about all 8 of those in my video, so keep watching. This theory suggests that traditional psychometric views of intelligence are too limited, where Gardner suggests that all people have different kinds of intelligences. Gardner proposed that there are 8 intelligences and has suggested the possible addition of a 9th one known as existentialist intelligence. In order to capture the full range of abilities and talents that people possesses, Gardner theorizes that people do not have just an intellectual capacity, but have many other kinds of intelligences, including musical, impersonal, and all the other ones that I just listed a couple seconds ago. Gardner's theory has definitely came under criticism from both psychologists and educators. These critics argue that Gardner's definition of intelligence is too broad and that his 8 different intelligences simply represent talents, personality traits, and abilities. Gardner's theory has suffered from a lack of supporting empirical research. So the first theory being visual spatial intelligence. People who are strong in visual intelligence are good at visualizing things. These individuals are often good with directions as well as maps, charts, videos, and pictures. Some characteristics of that could be they enjoy reading and writing, or they are good at putting puzzles together, enjoys drawing, painting, and visual arts, and recognizes patterns easily. The second one is going to be linguistic verbal intelligence. I have no idea how to say that word. These people are strong in verbal intelligence, are able to use words well, both when writing and speaking. These individuals are typically very good at writing stories, memorizing information, and reading. Some of the characteristics could be good at remembering written and spoken information, able to explain things well, and often uses humor when telling stories. The third one is mathematical intelligence. These people are good at reasoning, recognizing patterns, and logically analyzing problems. These individuals tend to think conceptually about numbers, relationships, and patterns. The fourth one is going to be bodily intelligence. These people are good at body movement, performing actions, and physical control. People who are strong in this area tend to have excellent hand-eye coordination and dexterity. The fifth one is going to be musical intelligence. People who have strong musical intelligence are good at thinking in patterns, rhythm, and sounds. They have a strong appreciation for music and are often good at musical compositions and performances. The sixth one is impersonal intelligence. These people are good at interacting with other people. These individuals are skilled at assessing the emotions, motivations, desires, and intentions of those around them. And the seventh one is intrapersonal intelligence. These individuals are good at being aware of their own emotions, states, feelings, and motivations. They tend to enjoy self-reflection and analysis, including daydreaming, exploring relationships with others, and accessing their personal strength. And the last one is going to be naturalistic intelligence. These people are more in tune with nature and are often interested in nurturing, exploring the environment, and learning about other species. These individuals are said to be highly aware of subtle changes to their environment. Gardner definitely believes that there is not just one broad definition of intelligence and that everybody kind of has their own. And I really was interested in learning about his idea because I really like how it's not just school smart or it's not just one thing, that everybody has their own kind of passion or something that they're good at, and that makes them intelligent in that subject or in that study their own way. So today there are 9, so I guess I should add the 9th one because I did forget to talk about that one. Existential intelligence. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That is like sensitivity and capacity to tackle deep questions about human existence, such as what is the meaning of life, or why do we die, or how did we get there?